Sound of a heartbeat. Cut to fast-paced, moody music. Visual. Bills piling up. Bank app showing $3.47 in checking. You're not broke. You're just in financial disguise. Because what if I told you that the key to building wealth isn't about earning six figures? It's about mastering the first 1,000 you already have. But here's the catch. If you don't take control now, you're not just living paycheck to paycheck, you're living crisis to crisis. Also, if your idea of budgeting is skipping guac at Chipotle, we need to talk. Let's flip the script. Here's how to budget on a low income and still build a rich life. The journey begins 1. Prioritize survival, then freedom. Rule number 1, your budget must feed your life, not your anxiety. Start with the 4 walls: food, shelter, transportation, utilities. Then assign your dollars to escape velocity: debt payments, emergency fund, income growth. Urgency trigger. Because skipping this isn't just irresponsible, it's expensive. One missed rent payment can cost more than a year's worth of budgeting. And yes, you can save even when you feel like you can't. We'll get there. 2. The 1 number rule. Stop tracking every penny like it's an FBI investigation. Use the 1 number rule. Ask yourself, how much can I spend guilt-free this week? Set that number. Stick to it. Everything else? Automate it. Bills, savings, side hustle profits, done. Look, if your budget requires 3 calculators, a color-coded spreadsheet, and a priest, it's too complicated. Make it frictionless, or you won't stick with it. 3. Turn your budget into a wealth engine. This isn't just about surviving, it's about building. Every dollar you control is a dollar that can work for you. Start by saving 10%, even if it's just $10. That's your army. Use it to eliminate toxic debt. Then invest it, even tiny amounts. Because the moment you save, you shift from consumer to creator. And what if I told you those $10 bills could turn into $100,000 without you lifting a finger? 4. Make it emotional. Make it visual. Budgeting isn't boring, it's personal power. Name your budget categories like they matter: freedom fund, debt slayer dollars, peace of mind savings. You're not cutting back, you're choosing better battles. Excitement trigger. Each budget choice is a step toward your first investment property, your debt-free graduation, your European sabbatical. This is your money. It's time to give it a mission. You don't need a raise to become wealthy. You need a system, a mindset, and a spark. Because wealth doesn't start with a salary. It starts with a budget that tells your money where to go before life decides where it disappears. But if you think budgeting is powerful, wait until you see what happens when your money starts multiplying on its own. Click the video on screen now, The Power of Compounding. That's where real wealth begins. Fade out with motivational music and on-screen CTA button. Watch The Power of Compounding now.